One little bird says tweet, tweet, tweet. Look at it flying, what a treat. Can you see its wings go flap? Let's count to 1 and give a clap. Two little bunnies hop on their feet. Hoppity-hop, isn't that sweet? They bounce around and wiggle their nose. Let's count to 2 while one bunny goes. Three little frogs leap in the pond, splashing and playing all day long. They jump in the water, what a sight. Let's count to 3 and hold on tight. Four little fish swim around the bay. They wiggle and swirl, what a display. They swim so fast, they're hard to see. Let's count to 4, swimming with glee. Kittens purr and play. They chase their tails all through the day. One by one they stretch and yawn. Let's count to 5 as they scamper on. Whoa. Now let's count all the animals we see. Birds, bunnies, frogs, and fish in the sea. Counting with animals is so much fun. Let's count again, starting from 1. Learning numbers with our furry friends. The fun just never ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting brings the world